Hey guys, Preston here with Bonecutter Off-Road. Today we will be doing a video on the unboxing of the brand new 2025 beta models. So the Xtrainer begins its 11th year of production. It is being celebrated with a brand new stunning look featuring gray bodywork and then also, of course, the Italian red frame to go with it. But before we get into the unboxing, just a little outside clip of the shop. It was a beautiful day yesterday. First couple of days in the fall are always the best. Here we have Boyd. Boxes. That we do carry OEM and aftermarket parts. We can also order anything if you're needing some random stuff that we don't have. We do also order parts. So just a little reminder. Alright, so as we're going ahead and unboxing these beautiful bikes, the new look will separate the look from its cousins, such as the RR X Pro and RR Race models. So just to keep in mind that that new gray look is going to look super clean and just a nice looking bike. So we get all this paper off of it. Taylor and Boyd are out there unboxing those. So the Xtrainer has been the #1 selling entry-level enduro bike in many countries. This is no surprise due to the ease of riding compared to longer, bulkier enduro models. More complex bike, to say the least. The bike's overall smaller chassis, lower seat height, the overall weight make the bike perfect for not only entry-level enduro riding, but also a perfect model for those wanting a second bike for play. So just going to be that more smaller, complex dirt bike, maybe good for the wife, or if you're starting your kids out on a big bike, or if dad wants to go out and have fun, it's a perfect bike for all around. The power from the liquid-cooled engine is almost electric-like, providing a seamless power delivery that has just the right amount of power and torque. Rideability has been Beta's tagline for more than 15 years, and the 2025 Xtrainer is the poster child of this. The Xtrainer's lower seat height provides the rider with more confidence. Confidence is key, so perfect. Most riders can touch the ground easily, which makes riding much more enjoyable. Steve, he is also helping Boyd out, getting these Xtrainers all uncrated. What a beautiful color choice that Beta designed this year. Couldn't have looked any better. And then earlier you did probably see Taylor and Steve talking about that new seat. Like we said earlier, it is going to be a little softer for those of you who know those Beta seats. France definitely likes to make them stiff, so this year they look a little bit softer, which is good. So we'll go ahead and talk a little bit about the actual enduro model range. So we'll start off with the chassis. Lighter and more compact package compared to a full-size enduro bike. The Xtrainer is designed for riders of all skill levels. Okay, we'll go ahead and talk about that seat height. Lower seat height ensures confidence. Like we said earlier, confidence is key. Just helps the rider get more and more comfortable on those bikes. Some brakes, we have same brake package. A discs measuring is a 260 millimeter at front and 240mm at the rear. Okay. And then the battery, it's a very lightweight, high performance battery. Fork and shock, single track inspired R16V suspension with 43mm tubes up front and a shock with linkage at the rear. The front forks offers adjustable spring preload and overall rebound damping. The rear shock has adjustments for a spring preload, compression, and rebound. Sorry, that was all over the place. Let's go over to the electric start now. So where it's very precise and reliable, get those good hole shots, make some hole shot money. You know, when you're restarting those bikes in those tricky situations, an optional backup Kickstarter is available. Now we're just kind of walking them over. Did want to talk to you guys about that fuel tank. Comes with a 2.3 gallon capacity. The oil injection with an oil tank below the seat, allowing riders to do away with premix, as the system provides automation oiling for the engine. To further simplify things, the seat can be removed with the push of a button. Comes with soft tires, but an aggressive design to ensure grip in every situation. Does come with a cooling fan. The clutch is a very easy pull system, very nice to ride with. Alright, and as we are just kind of wrapping this video up, if you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you guys for watching.